Hey you guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get your LLC, INC, s-corp, or incorporate your nonprofit in less than 5 minutes. If you're interested, then stay tuned. Okay guys, let's head over to Instadoc Pros. Once you land on Instadoc Pros, you're going to simply click on Incorporate Your Business. And then you're going to select your entity type. For this video, we're going to click on LLC. And then choose your state of formation. We'll choose California and select Start Your Business. Once you're on this page, you're going to enter your business name. We'll just make up a business name. We'll just call this company Blue Company and Green Company. And then you will enter your name and your last name. If you have a middle name, add that as well. Your contact phone number. I'm just entering something so we can move forward. And then you will enter your address. If you have an apartment number, you will enter that here. And then enter your city, your state, and zip code. And then if your company needs an EIN number, you can select this box and enter the information for the owner or the principal officer of the company. So you will put the principal officer name here, the contact phone number here, the address, and apartment number if there is one, your email address, and your social security number. After that, you will enter your payment information here. And this will be your payment details. This will be the total for your incorporation. And then you would sign here. Whatever. Okay. And then you will hit submit and pay. And that's all there is to it. Most states are electronic now, so you will get your actual documents in about 5 to 7 days. It may be a little bit longer due to COVID. They have other services on this page if you would like to create a document, such as, let's see, bylaws, privacy policy, power of attorney, a business plan. You can also create those documents on this site as well. But as far as incorporating, that is absolutely all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.